man. Okay, let's be real here. Nobody wants to use this garbage strap. This thing's terrible. It's garbage. Okay? That's why I got this bad boy. Ooh, focus.
A few moments later.
Oh, there we go. This is the Peak Design Leash. No, I can't walk the camera with it. It'll walk me.
Wow.
But anyways, so I got this because that other one is a piece of junk. And with this, you get this nice little quick release. So you can just put it in there like that. Boom. Quick release. Now let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, my first thoughts after unboxing it, I really quickly noticed how good the material of this thing is. Like this metal piece right here, this little piece up here, the stitches, all of this, it's really nice. And this is like a seatbelt material, so I mean, this isn't gonna rip. This is very, very strong. And this, even the quick release thing, it's really like, imagine it just broke there. This rope material, I don't know what it is. It's like coated maybe in something, or it's just a different type of material, but this is really strong as well. It's really hard plastic. Just banged it on the desk, but you know. So this whole thing, just initially after the unboxing, I barely even used it. Really good quality, much better than the standard Canon one that came with the camera. I also forgot to mention how easy it is to adjust this. You can literally just slide it back and forth, just like that. Super easy to adjust. It's supposed to have this piece right here to like easily adjust it. I don't really understand how it works, but it's there. I think it looks cooler than if that weren't there. So I don't really foresee it being usable, or I don't foresee myself using it, but it looks cool. So if you're someone that wants to take your camera strap, take it off, put it back on, because sometimes it's just in the way, you don't want to use it, this is a very good product. It's only $45 right here somewhere, Amazon. And you might be like, well, 45 bucks for a camera strap. Like I said, the material is really good. You even get some accessories like you saw in the unboxing. So, I mean, accessories, they're nothing crazy, but you do get, I think you get your money's worth. This is gonna last forever. And I can say I'm never gonna go back to that Canon strap. It just sucks. This is much better.